Good game. Okay.
Did you say no?
I got the flicking part. You just start with the next
Did you
one.
say no? Because it's just at the bottom.
What is solid gold? What do you mean
I'd say
again?
no. This is our sucrose, right?
What you doing?
Drawing my tiger.
Looks like a panther.
No, it's not so good.
It looks like a panther. What you doing, Abby?
Carving.
Fun.
Yeah, it's really fun.
What you making?
I have no idea. Just carving.
Say how much you get to put in there? Just a little bit.
On the rollways.
Gotta get the flick, ready? Create that vortex.
Change size.
Miss Forrest, I'm creating that vortex for you. Look at that. It's going.
Very nice. Good job.
Great form.
Looks good. That is good.
Okay, number 4. Is Miriam taller or shorter than? With passion. E. Good. Paul, finish that sentence.
Is Lauren taller or shorter
Then he is. Good job. Yeah, that works. Good job. All right, number 5. Her sister is a lot more outgoing than? She. She. Okay. Finish that for us, Logan.
than she is?
Then she is. Yes, that works because those are like the examples we read earlier. Did you buy as many pairs of shoes as? I.
Into Warrior 1.
Warrior's not that flexible.
Okay, go down to the high lunge again.
Oh, were we supposed to switch feet? Not yet. Come back into the plank.
The slope is a third.
Stop in the second line.
But there's no.
Are they negative reciprocals?
No.
So are they perpendicular? Michaela, watch that first.